What's going on, guys? This is Hemi-Driven. My name is Alan. Today we're gonna show you how to basically change the splash screen of your Dodge Charger or your Dodge Challenger with the Tazer Automotive. I'm gonna show you how to change it, yeah, so stay tuned, guys, for the
devil in a red dress. Call 911 on my killer.
What's going on, guys? So welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys basically how to activate or change the splash screen with the automotive Tazer. Sorry, it's not really focusing very good. And then after that, we're actually on a very long straight stretch road where we'll be able to test probably my 0 to 100 or 0 to 120 maybe, hopefully. So we'll do that after I show you guys basically how this works. So how do you do it? Because a lot of people, because I'm in the scat pack. So one thing you guys have to know is that in the scat pack, because I have a scat pack 2016, you completely lose the B. So I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about just the SRTs, if you can get the B on there or not, but for some reason I just can't get the B back. So this is if you want to change it to the hellcat or the shaker. So far the shaker is not working for the 2016. The only splash screen I can change it to is the hellcat. But I'm going to show you how to change it regardless if you guys want to test it out and try it out for yourselves. So yeah, let's get to it here. I'm gonna plug this in to the OBD port down below, and yeah, we'll get started. All right, guys, we got it plugged in. One thing to note, this thing does drain your battery if you leave it plugged in. So what you guys want to do is put this on in the run mode option. So now we're sitting on the run mode. I'm gonna have to take you guys off the tripod basically. See, as you guys noticed, the hellcat symbol came up. I'm gonna have to put the camera right on here off the tripod because I'm gonna need two hands. But before I do this, you're gonna wanna go down to use the arrow buttons, head down to audio, hold the left arrow key, hit cancel, but keep your finger on the left arrow key, and then you use cancel to kind of scroll through. So I'm going to show you where it is in the menu system to find it. Alright, guys, so got it on the steering wheel. Hopefully it'll stay still for me. So left arrow key, hit cancel. There we go. So we got some options here. Now we're looking for the splash screen. So we got lighting, we got comfort, so it's in comfort. So then you hit the cruise control button, and it you guys can see there, splash screen, hellcat is on. Try again. Sometimes it doesn't do it very good. Splash says scat, hellcat. I'm gonna leave it on the hellcat just because I've already tested this to try and put it on the scat pack, and it has not worked at all. That race speed, which kind of sucks, so you definitely lose it when you get the Tazer. But I mean, the performance pages and the track mode is totally worth it. So then once you do that, you take your hands off of everything, like the arrow key and everything, and then basically turn it off. And then now that it's off, guys, you're gonna want to let basically everything reset, let the dash turn off, let everything turn off. I recommend getting out of your car and going to wait for about 30 seconds in your house, coming back, and then turning it back on. So that's basically how you change your splash screen, guys. Then I don't know how to get the scat pack one back on. I've tried so many different ways, it's just not working. So keep note, if you have a scat pack and you got the Tazer, you may lose the B for good, unless you totally erase and unmarry the Tazer and reset everything back to default. But yeah, so now we're gonna turn this on, and then we're gonna head up this road here, and I'm gonna put this back on the mount, and we're gonna do a 0 to 60 run. All right, let's turn this on. There's the hellcat symbol. Even though this is not a hellcat, but this is the only symbol I can use. I can't use anything else, unfortunately. I don't know why it's not working whatsoever. Like I said, if I could go back to the B, I would, but I got the choice of just having that or just the Challenger, the Charger display. That's all it says, just Charger. I'd rather have the Hellcat symbol if anything, so we'll just use that. And yeah, so I'm gonna plug the OD, take this out of the port here. There it is. I usually just chuck it in there. All right, we're doing a 0 to 100, guys. Wet road, ball tires. Let's do it. Nice. I guess it's 7.3. Summertime, we got a 5.0, so that's not too bad at all. Oh, not bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna head home, and we're gonna talk about what's coming up in the next couple days. Yeah, see you guys in a sec. What's up, everybody? So hope you guys enjoyed that little rip we did and the information on the taser. So I wanted to stress that a few things. The taser doesn't do anything for adding horsepower or anything like that. It just gives you the performance features like track mode, eco, and stuff like that. So now we're going to talk about what's coming up. I really wanted to do this other video today, but I haven't found anybody to do it. So if you guys would like, contact me if you know me, or comment below. You guys have to live in Vancouver Island, on the island obviously, and I'm looking for one person to basically reaction video with me. So we're gonna hop in the scat pack and plug in the pedal commander and go for a rip and get your reaction. The pedal commander is a lot of fun with it plugged in. It's like, basically the car feels like a freaking Hellcat, but it really doesn't add any horsepower or like torque really. It just makes it more torquey, I guess. Like pretty much all 495 horse. As soon as you step on the throttle, it's right then and there. So just rips you back in your seat like crazy. It's quite the experience. So if you guys are interested, send me a comment below and let me know. Didn't find anybody to do it this weekend, so I'm gonna try and do it tomorrow if I can find somebody, maybe. But we will see. If not, then this will be posted. If not, then I'll have to wait in about probably 2 weeks to make another video, unfortunately. So it cost me like $111 for 4 days of day insurance for the car. It was family day weekend, guys, and I basically was like, you know what, I get Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off, so let's insure it. It shouldn't be that bad. 111 bucks. It was like, that's a lot of money just for those couple days, but totally worth it. You know, put a smile on my face driving that thing every time. But like I said, it's not gonna be insured full time. It's just gonna be a weekend car, you know, weekend content car, car meet car kind of thing. You know, take it out here and there. I will still be doing obviously car meet content. Just some of the content that I'll be doing probably won't be in the car, in my Charger. It'll be driving the wife's car, going to car meets, and filming other vehicles and stuff like that that goes on the island. So stay tuned for that. And there's always some huge events that happens here on the island, so we're gonna be doing that this year, and hopefully get some traveling in. I really kind of want to go to the mainland, but get the car content over there, but we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, another update, I found the tires that I'm gonna get for the car. Okay, I'm not gonna release the name of the tires or anything like that. No, I've been slacking and talking about these tires that I'm supposedly gonna get, but I found them. Basically, I'm not gonna order them online, so I found a place, decent price, all in $1,000 for these tires. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm gonna order them, but you know, I found the tires. That's the main thing, and so sooner or later we'll pull the plug on that and get her ordered, and then we'll do a real 0 to 100 test, because that test I did, it was about like a 7.7, and I don't know if you guys seen the best on there. My best was a 5.0, and that was when I first got the car and the tires were half decent. I pretty much smoked the rear tires off on my car, so there's still some tread, but it's, you know, it's getting down there. So but yeah, guys, don't forget to comment below. I'm gonna end this quick little vlog video here. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys are wondering when my next giveaway will be, sorry, I'm a little sick today. If you guys are wondering when my next giveaway will be, I don't know when I'm gonna do one. I'm thinking in 2 weeks I'm gonna do a giveaway video. It's not gonna be this hoodie that I'm wearing, the Hemi-Driven. So it might be a shirt, might be a different hoodie. It's gonna be something different. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, for that. And like I said, thanks for supporting and everything like that. We're up to 71 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. I've never had that many subscribers ever. Like, literally just like looked up the YouTube this week, haven't been on at all, and I looked and I was like, holy, that's pretty sweet. Also, for those of you that are still watching right now, that comment on my YouTube, sometimes YouTube puts the comments in the spam section, and sometimes I don't see them because they get thrown in the spam automatically by YouTube. I don't know why. So if I don't reply to you guys right away, that's probably why, and I apologize. I'm gonna check the spam section as much as more than that I usually do, and you know, make sure that the actual you guys commenting are getting posted on my YouTube channel, because you know, it blocks you know, spam comments or people trying to sell me stuff for this and that kind of stuff, like sub for subs. I don't do sub for subs, by the way, guys, at all. So if I like your content, I will subscribe, basically, but I don't like the whole subs for sub thing, because you're not really getting real subscribers. So anyhow, guys, I'm done rambling on. So don't forget to smash that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your family weekend. Peace.